Today, me and Asif make this one. Passage and hand wash. Hello, namaste, namaskaram.
Hi, good morning. Today we are going to make the passage ready.
Yes.
This is the partition. Here
That's
will come the kitchen.
Yes,
And this passage will lead to the toilet.
toilet.
And on the way, we go to the gate. This is our wash corner. And Sundar we have made something.
Yes, Sintaro table.
It's going to be fixed here.
Yes.
There is some more work pending. We have to fix the wall. We already have fixed the wall. We need to make the drainage.
Yes.
After that, we will go for a partition here
Mm.
for hiding the toilet door. And one more thing. See this. It's another
Window frame.
woodwork craftsman. Sindar was a good craftsman. I like this. It's actually a window. Here we can put something.
Yes. And next day chair.
So,
Yesterday I made this boat. I painted it yesterday Christmas 25 December I worked. Shall we set this boat? Take care. Like this. Next. 下の棚板がつきました。若干反ってんですけどね。まあしょうがない。
it's fixed. See?
Oh.
Hello, Sundaro.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm marking the stain, oil stain.
Oh,
Alright, walnut.
Which color it is?
Walnut.
Walnut color.
Yes. And dark brown.
And this is the difference between
Yes.
after staining. This is
After.
the color.
Before.
The wood is
Natural.
mahogany.
Natural.
It's the natural color of mahogany wood, and we applied some walnut color stain, and it becomes like that. It's very nice. So it has a horrible smell.
We ordered sink. Now everything is made. We need two pieces. And Christmas Day, Asif's family came our shop and gave me lunch. Fish curry. Very tasty. Thank you. Elda Clam got Christmas sample shop selling red clothes and yeah. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. We got to proceed about our shop. Shall we do?